Hi guys, this is Aya from Tokyo. You do not live in Japan but still like to buy handmade items from Japan? Then this video is totally for you. Do you know Minne? Minne is the largest online handmade platform in Japan. It is like Etsy, but in Japan, Minne is way more popular than Etsy. That means there is a high chance that Japanese handmade sellers are selling their products on Minne. I also have a shop on Minne. This is how it looks like. The good news is, Minne started an international shipping service in March 2019. Minne announced it on this article. Since this article is written in Japanese, I will summarize the most important information and share with you in this video. Please note that what I share in this video is the information available as of 15th of September 2021. It could change anytime. I will do my best to update as soon as I find any changes. To begin with, we need to know who can order on Minne from overseas. International shipping is available if you live in countries accepting EMS, Express Mail Service, from Japan. Currently, international shipping service of Minne is not available to countries which are in EEA, European Economic Area. Check out Japan Post website to see if your countries accept EMS from Japan. I put the link of this page in the description box down below. I recommend you to use the translator of your browser to see this webpage since it's in Japanese. Now I'd like to talk about the overview of international shipping system on Minne. When you buy items on Minne from overseas, you will not buy items directly from the sellers, but there is a third party called World Shopping Biz, which is in charge of ordering items on behalf of you. So basically, you tell World Shopping Biz what you want, and World Shopping Biz will give us orders. World Shopping Biz has an inquiry page, so if you have any questions, you can ask them questions through that page. That's a brief explanation of the shipping system. Before we get into the checkout process, there's one thing I would like you to know. Minne website itself is not made for international shopping. You will see everything in Japanese unless the sellers prepare product descriptions in English. What you can do is to use the translator of your browser to translate the whole page. Let's try that on my shop. I use Google Chrome, so I click here to translate the whole page. Now you see everything in English. It might not sound natural for you, but I assume you can get most of the information on this page. So finally, let's talk about the checkup process. When you open the product page on Minne, first you will see this sign in the local language of where you are. Then you will see this little pop-up at the bottom of this page. If you like to purchase this item, click Add to Cart. If there is any options such as color or size variation, you can select them in this step. You can add several items to the cart and later purchase them at once. You will probably see the shipping fee and the shipping dates on the product page around here, but they're most likely for domestic orders. So please wait for the information from World Shopping Biz about shipping fee and shipping time. Lastly, I have some extra information related to international orders. If you order items on Minne from overseas, you cannot make an account on Minne since your home address is required when you make an account, and it has to be a Japanese address. That means international shoppers cannot follow shops nor leave reviews after receiving the products. So if you purchase items on Minne from overseas, I highly recommend you to post reviews and show your passion on social media. The handmade sellers would love to see it. I also summarized this video's content in text format in my blog, so go check that out from the link in the description box. This is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe this channel. And enjoy shopping on Minne. See you in the next video. Bye!